Ka Meghalaya State Olympic Association MSOA ringkat ka jingatray lang ka Directorate of Sports and Youth Affairs bat ka Meghalaya Athletics Association MAA kilapun benaban pelong ya ka fort Soora International Half Marathon kabanlong hak arpunyo trik nailur arjar pesan. Habakren siya kilat patay kubor haka nyo trik naitung Didi Shira Director Katanat Sports and Youth Affairs ubak John F. Karshiying Working President ke MSOA bat ubak finally Pariat General Secretary MSOA kila khot bat wer sngobha ya barok kinong yelek kai bat ikiriu it sports na ka jela Meghalaya bat shabar kumju bakin wana shimbenta hakani ka jinga kop mare Didi Shira ulapun benam baya ka fort Soram International Half Marathon on pelong hak arpunyo trik unailur arjar pesan Ngi kerman skam bahaka jing pelong dia kan ka jinga kop mentau snam kan long ka bajob da ka jinga trailang bar kinong yalam shnong bar dorbar shnong kathan Soora nalor kata ulaya ru ya ka office Soora subdivision ki pulit bat ki wei ki trat rekam halor ka jingkar shan ka ba kila ai uba John F. Karshiying ula kentui ki patba ka jela bat na shabar kumju bakin register ya ki kerteng jongki hapo ka shipau tarik unailur arjar pesan Ula banjur ru baka ni kelumpung kat muru ban kentiu ya ka jingbit jingbiang hakamet kapat ya ka jela bat ya ka kam jungok kai. Kat ba uba finally Pariat ula ong baha usnam baladam kiladan hadu nyaw hajar ngut ki balawan ya shimbenta haka ni ka marathon bat menta usnam ki kmi lenti baki nawan ya shimbenta kin kat sya ka shipa hajar ngut bat ula pensluri ki nong shong shnong ka jela bakin niwan ya shimbenta. Upentep baka ni ka jiokop ka deru kalat ban kentiu ka Soora kum ka jaka jungok kai ka bakongsan bat ula ong babarok kasong pisa na ka bentai ki khusnam haka ni ka jingakop kan kot sya ka khatsan poin san paulak tingka barok ki jinglut jingsap ka bakentop ya ka technical baka jaka sa ka bam bat ki wei kan kot sya ka arklur tingka bat ula ong baka ni ka marathon ka dei ka babarok ki la ban shimbenta bat ka deru ka ba aya ka khusnam pisa ka bahe la pentep ru ba an dan kam bairung na ka benta ki nong shong shnong ka than Soora ki ba wan shimbenta ha ka jingmare sngoban ni fan run
ka fort Soora International Half Marathon ka banlong ha ka arpunyo tarik sa tempo arja sam di misong komen ni ay kulay sarkar ka Meghalaya State Olympic Association na Meghalaya Athletic Association ya kan ni jing siyan sarkar promote ya jing mare ka half marathon 8 kilometer yang di pang di papel sarang patai ba fain boleh show hatai patai ni dai per dia ini peta bat so bat syukur pa arleng jonga ka wei ka lomba ki bo dan ki nomore jugi bat ki bi jela ki wan tra de bo dengan semua kwa sya ka sesim pa ni ki mare kana dei dan timing bat ki dan de ki chip mo ki a di Athletic Federation of India di antang la mundur berdem kertas cara yang mereka di dalam iwan sem ki tempat lah dia por nak supan yo itu macam kebawa ki pai ba la pun boleh bawa mereka timing ki dia nomor 1 melak yo ju sini dia bukan semua so berapa kita bi bawa mereka semua tu ni si hadu semua siapa punya dia syaitan
I could not imagine that it would be the fourth because at the start we thought the thing that we want to do now is only we started from the first year at 2,800, second year is 3,800, fifth is 5,000, fourth third is 4,000, of 7,000 now is we don't expect I think more than 10,000 this time. So what's happening in Soora and all, we hope that as the meeting held with SDO that all the people of Soora are willing to join this run to show the solidarity for the people of Soora for what is happening, and we're happy that everything is solved. So this is time to showcase Soora as a tourist destination of Meghalaya. Once again, thank you to the media for your cooperation. Without you, we will not be able, as I said last year, we didn't give any publicity except press conference. So this time I hope you help us in spreading the news of this Soora Marathon. This Soora Marathon is the same as we have done last year, except that it's recognized by the Athletic Federation. We have to pay them money all the technical options, all the timing technologies, everything is all from the AFI, which are recognized by the World Athletic Association. So regarding technical part, this is done by them. Ours is to just to really see that the routes is good, and the volunteers, refreshment, everything, the water point, the medical teams also, as we have seen, will be done by in collaboration with the Directorate of Sport and us, MSA and MAA. So far we have no problem. We are working very hard. Even the people of Sodar as well, I'm told they are really happy that this will happen once again in Sora. So regarding the prize money, we just the category we have changed this time. Last time we put about 60 years. This time we have done away with the 60 years because of less participants. So this time we are doing only 21 elite open above 18. 21 open only for Meghalaya above 18. 10K 18 to 40 years. 10K 40 to 55 years. 10K 55 years and above. All these are open category. So the prize money I'll be sharing with you the details. I need not to say the total prize money is 50,50,000. We do have the gift for the under 14 run for fun for the first 200 runners, and also consolation prize for the above 50 who finish that 21K. Last time also we gave them some cash prize. This time also we are giving them. So everything online entry will be explained again by John, the online thing, that this time we request, especially from Meghalaya, they used to wait till last moment because network problem, no? Sometimes they wait till the last moment, oh, we cannot get the link. So we request all the participants to kindly do it. Since our entry fee is very cheap, elite we are taking only 1,000. And also the 21K, 10K for all the race is just 200 rupees. And this time we added 50 rupees for the 10K. We added this 10K run is because of the run for fun, because most last year we have a big problem because of online entry, they free and they just enter like that, one name 5, 6 times, and it make a big mess for us. And we have to hire bus, the bus has been hired, sometimes 15 buses are wasted. Because under fun we are not much concerned, we are more concerned of this competitive. So this time we are taking a minimum 50 rupees for all those who are participating, and request them that this year the timing of leaving Shillong will be 3 a.m. sharp. Because other marathon starts at 4 a.m. So you know in Delhi marathon you can't start after. Because last time you see the heat, lots of people have collapsed also because that day was very hot. And we have 4 or 5 who are volunteers. So we request all people regarding time, if you participate, you have to come at 3 a.m. sharp. So you won't, because most of the real runner comes on time. Those who are just come for fun, they come late. So it affects the. So this time the bus will leave states at 3 a.m. So we start early from lights up, yeah. The school are joining us and all of you. There is no entry fee for the run for fun for the Sora region. Means you are nearby village and the school, they are giving separate entry. So for them, there is no need to pay any money, except those who are doing online, they have to pay the 50 rupees. So regarding this time also, we're giving free t-shirts, finisher medals, and that's about it. So I think you know the drill, we are doing the same. So any question? No, free class. Okay, above 18 for Meghalaya, because we want to give Meghalaya separate. But for elite also, if Meghalaya want to compete in the elite section, they can compete if they feel they can compete. So it's up to them to choose to do that. But if you compare for 21K, above 18, they can compete in this Meghalaya, which is just 200 rupees entry. The prize money is slightly less, 50,000, 20. So for the lead is 1,50,000, 75,50, consolation 5, 10,000, so 3,25,000 for the lead. So some athletes have competed last year were good, so they earn more money if you go to when the other Meghalaya get a chance to do this. So 10K are all open, 18 to 40, 40 to 55, 55 and above. All from India can participate in this run. That's the marathon, see, we have not increased, like T-shirt is the same rate for the 4 years, everything, that's what the government is for, except we are expensive more in transportation, which shouldn't have done, but we have to drop them to Sora. And the food, we are getting good food, so this time the total budget is 2 crore 97, including technical options, all these transportation, we have to pay the FI 10 lakhs regarding permission and regulation, so allowance for technical options. So these are anything honorarium for all the volunteers, hiring of vehicles. There's not much of that, so it's just a minimum. It's one of the cheapest marathon, but the highest prize money as compared to other states, except those international ones.